Hey everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Us. I'm Emma, your English coach and storyteller for today.
And I'm Harry, your co-host who still says, kindly do the needful without realizing it's, a bit old-fashioned.
Don't worry, Harry, you're not alone. A lot of people make these little English mistakes without realizing how they can sound to native speakers.
And today we're exposing the biggest ones, the kind that have actually cost people jobs, contracts, and yes, even $1 million.
That's right. The episode is called 5 Viral English Mistakes That Cost People $1 million. And number 3 will absolutely surprise you.
Ooh, suspense. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and listen closely because today's lesson might just save your career or your wallet.
Okay, let's start with mistake number 1. Once upon a time, there was a young entrepreneur named Arif. He had an amazing idea for a mobile app and finally got a meeting with a huge investor from the US.
Big moment for Arif. Exciting stuff.
Yes, the meeting went really well, but when it ended, the investor said, "Let's stay in touch." And Arif replied with a follow-up email that said, "I will inform you after the meeting."
That sounds fine. What's wrong with that?
Grammatically, nothing. But tonally, it's a disaster. "I will inform you" sounds formal and distant, like a government letter.
So the investor thought Arif wasn't really interested.
Exactly. In English business culture, warmth and enthusiasm matter. The investor felt Arif was cold and uninterested. The deal never happened.
Ouch. So what should he have said?
Something more natural, like, "I'll let you know once the meeting's over," or "I'll keep you posted," or "I'll update you soon."
See, that sounds friendly, confident, and human.
Right. In English, simple and natural beats formal and robotic every time.
All right, mistake number 2. And I feel personally attacked by this one.
Let me guess. You use actually in every sentence?
Actually, yes.
Exactly. And that's the problem. Many learners overuse actually without realizing it can sound defensive or even rude in conversation.
Wait, how can actually be rude?
Imagine this. You're in a job interview. The interviewer says, "So you worked on the marketing project." And you reply with, "Actually, I did that alone."
Oh, that does sound like I'm correcting them.
Yes, it can sound like you're saying, "You're wrong. Let me fix you." Instead, drop it. Just say, "Yes, I did that alone." That sounds confident and direct.
Got it. So actually isn't bad. It's just about placement and tone.
Exactly. Use it when you truly need to correct something gently, like, "Actually, the meeting is at 3, not 2. Otherwise, leave it out.
All right, I'll actually stop saying actually.
I'll believe it when I hear it. Okay, mistake number 3, and this one literally cost a company close to $1 million.
Wait, seriously? How can a simple phrase do that?
Picture this. An international team is on a video call with a big American client. The audio glitches for a moment, and the manager, who's not a native speaker, says, "Can you repeat?"
Seems harmless.
But in English business culture, it came off as blunt, even rude. The client felt talked down to. Communication got tense, the relationship soured, and the deal quietly died.
Wow. Just because of how something sounded.
Exactly. The phrase itself isn't wrong, but tone and politeness matter. Instead, say, "Sorry, could you please repeat that?" Or, "I didn't quite catch that. Would you mind saying it again?"
Yeah, those sound softer, more polite, more respectful.
Right. In English, politeness builds bridges, bluntness burns them.
You know what? That's lesson number 3. Words can't buy you a deal, but they can lose you one.
Beautifully said, Harry. All right, I think this one's mine because I still say it in emails. Kindly do the needful.
Oh, Harry, you're not alone. This phrase is super common in South Asia, but to native English speakers, it sounds very outdated, like something from the 1950s.
So if I write that to an American client, they'll think I'm ancient?
Maybe not ancient, but definitely a little confusing.
Right. Do the needful doesn't clearly say what needs to be done. In global English, clarity beats tradition.
So what's a better alternative?
Try these instead. Please complete the report by Friday. Could you process this request today? Or please review the attached file.
Much more direct, and it tells the reader exactly what to do.
Exactly. Good English isn't about sounding fancy. It's about being clear, polite, and effective. All right, time for our final million-dollar mistake. I'm agree.
Oh no, I've heard that one so many times.
Yes, and it's a small mistake that can make people doubt your fluency immediately.
Right, because agree isn't an adjective, it's a verb.
Exactly. You can't say I'm agree, just like you can't say I'm go. The correct phrase is I agree.
Simple but powerful.
And for more natural fluency, you can expand it. I completely agree with your idea. Or, I totally agree with that. Or, I couldn't agree more.
I love that last one. It sounds confident and natural.
Exactly. And sometimes, in business English, confidence is currency. All right, let's recap our $5 million mistakes.
Number 1, I will inform you. Say, I'll let you know. Number 2, stop overusing actually. Number 3, don't say, can you repeat? Be polite instead. Number 4, replace kindly do the needful with clear instructions. Number 5, never say, I'm agree, it's I agree.
Beautifully done, Harry. So, what's the big lesson today?
Honestly, that in English words aren't just grammar, they're connection. Tone, clarity, and warmth matter more than perfection.
Exactly. And one small mistake can change how people see your professionalism, your personality, even your potential.
So use your words wisely. They might just be worth $1 million.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's the biggest English mistake you've made? Maybe we'll feature it in our next episode.
This is Learn English with Us, where every mistake becomes a lesson.
Boof! See you next time.